Here it is, the articulated 3D printed pizza slice, a fun, flexible design with moving hinge pieces. The print comes right off the bed, fully functional, no assembly is needed. Every hinge is already built into the geometry, giving the slice that smooth, bendable motion. Let's let it cool on the desk first. This is the waste created during printing. And here is the slice in Bambu Studio, where the settings are set to standard. Click on Objects and Shift-select all bodies. Then click on the Scale button. Enter a scale of 200 to double all objects in size. Click on the Preview tab to see how it will be printed. One slice will take nearly 2 hours to print. Let's quickly scroll through all layers by dragging this slide on the right. And once it's printed, you get this super satisfying, flexible toy, perfect for fidgeting, gifting, or decoration. Here's a closer look at the hinges, which will also be looked at in Bambu Studio in a moment. Let's first drop the pizza slice. Here's a close-up of the hinges. When you look halfway, you see a floating pin is connected to this part, and the wide hole around it is connected to the other part. All hinges have the same principle. This small part of the print is a bridge which is floating above the pin. Whether you're printing for fun or learning how articulated models work, this pizza slice is a perfect print. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there.